Hello everyone, welcome to Civil Mania. So in today's lecture I will be telling about Tekla structures. It is basically one of the software for the structural analysis. So let me first go to the software, and this is my first video of this software. So let me open Tekla structures 2020. Now after the Tekla structures opens, the this is actually the software but Trimble as such as like AutoCAD is of Autodesk. Similarly, Tekla structures is of Trimble. Now go to the environment and select blank project, and in the configuration there will be various configurations. Simply you need to go to the full configuration and select OK. After that you need to wait for 2-3 minutes till it opens. After that let me go to simply directly to the new, and after going to the new, suppose you want to create a new model, so simply type as the name of the file and click on create. After that you need to again wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Actually the problem with this software is actually this is a very heavy software. It requires a lot of memory, RAM as well as processing speed. So for that you require a very high configuration laptop. So this is the reason, the more the configuration will be, the waiting time will be lesser. So just wait. So now as you can see here, now the software has begun. So you need to simply click in the maximize tab. After that, as you can see here, this is the coordinate system. So in today's video I'll be telling about how to change the background color. As you can see here, the background color is a bit grayish type, so you can change this background color in Tekla structures. And for that what you need to do is you need to simply click in these three ribbons. After that, in this three bar, after clicking it, you need to go to the settings. After going to the settings, you can go to the advanced settings. After going to the advanced settings, you can see here in the model view. So there will be various things you can change each and everything says, but right now for changing the background color you need to go to the model view. After going to the model view, there are three colors present here: color 1 background color, 2 background color, 3 color 4. You can apply any one color, but right now there is no color. So for that what you need to do is, suppose you need to go to the background 1, and first you need to go is to the Google, and in Google you type Tekla color card. After typing Tekla color card, this website opens. As simply you need to go to this website. After going to this official website of Tekla color code, here you simply have to click in this page. After clicking in this page, you can select any of the color of the background. Suppose I need this color, as this is the color, or this is the color. Suppose let me select this color. After clicking, the color will show it here. Suppose this is the color I wanted in as the background color in Tekla structures. So what you need to do is, as you can see here, after selecting each and every color, this number arises here. This number goes on changing. Suppose I need this color. See, the number changes. Suppose I will change the background of Tekla structures as this color. After that you need to copy this code. After copying this code, simply go to Tekla structures and paste here the code. After pasting, click on OK. After clicking OK, you need to simply go it here and again click on new project, a blank project, because in this the color doesn't changes, but when you will be again opening the new blank project or the new project, then the color by default got changed to what you have been just now selected. So simply click on create. So now just wait for a minute. Just wait. Yeah, as you can see here, now the color of the background has changed. So now you have to simply click in the maximize button, and as you can see here, now the color has changed to what I have selected, that is the yellowish color. So hope it's clear to all of you that how to change the background color of Tekla structures. So from now onwards, I will teach you from the basic level of Tekla structures to the advanced level of Tekla structures. And for that, only one thing you need to do is simply stay tuned to my channel. And if you have not subscribed yet, then please subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, then please press the like button and share as much as possible. And thanks for watching my video. Have a good day. Take care.